Tell them again, tell them all. It just dawned on me, what's right feels wrong. No wingman, that's only my A game. At this game, two can play. Kill your vibe, they don't have the right. Baby, don't fight it, you're giving me life. Take your time, set the mood right. Settle down, skeptical at first, but now I'm not. Won't be late, won't delay. Hey, won't be late, won't delay. Yeah.
Yeah, saving my time for you. Suddenly I freed up, freezing my times with you. When I'm lonely I can bring him up, close off my line for you. I'm better when I'm just on my own, girl. Standing in line for you. Standing here for I don't know how long, girl. Things I wrote, things I go, let you know that I want you. Words we spoke, things you wrote, let me know that you want me to. Yeah, Ikebe, pressing on me heavy, pressing up against me, real close. Bakasi, moving on me wasi, time is moving real slow.
Won't be late, won't delay. Hey, won't be late, won't delay. Yeah, won't be late, won't delay. Hey, won't be late, won't delay. Yeah.
I was only gonna told Sim and pop this at the appropriate time, but Tim's fly sneakers, you know, he popped it off. But I just wanna say congrats to Sean and Desi. This is a blessing, this is a good day. To see all y'all come together for this. I knew Sean since freshman year in high school, Desi since we were babies. Like in Pampers, walking around, causing trouble and stuff. So to see this, you know, the second time for us to come around and happen, it's a blessing. It's a good moment. It's great. It's great, man. Bottle popped already. Congrats to y'all. I'm gonna take up too much time. I love both of y'all. I hope y'all y'all gonna do good. Y'all much success to both of y'all. As he just graduated, I'm showing you guys promotion. It's all good things happen for them. Big things. So more vibes to come, more help, more strength. You already know.
Yes, sir.
Andre Barrett. I'm the father and the grandfather of Nala. That's my grand seed. Planted in fertile ground, growing and rising like a beautiful rose in the garden of Eden. Oh, where do you think you got those runners from? In all seriousness, I just want to say to Sean and Desmo, I'm so proud of you. I promised my wife I wouldn't get emotional, but I can't help it. I am so proud of these two. I've known them together since high school, and it's been some ups and downs, but there's nothing stronger than partnerships that last. I told them back then, you may not make it through college. They remember this conversation. I said, you know what, you're probably gonna break up. But true relationships always come back. They rise like the phoenix of old. And they did. I can't believe it worked. Oh my God. I took private credit, but in reality, it was luck. In all seriousness, I love you guys so much. I am excited. Sean just had a sister 3 months ago, and now she's gonna be an aunt. I tell his sister Autumn, Daddy's your best friend, but Nala's gonna be your second best friend. Because that's how it should be, family, all the way, all day. Guys, thank you so much for coming out. Sean and Desmond, I love you to the bottom of my heart. We love you. We got you. Thank you, guys.